already know what it is. Cooking with Tunchi. Today, we're going to do a special little treat for you. We're going to be doing some gumbo. Right now, these are the ingredients. Right here, we got some calamari, some shrimp, mussels, octopus, and crab meat. This right here is our okra. We got a bowl of okra. We got 2 big bowls of crawfish. Okay. Of course, you gotta have a can of beer. More crab meat. This is turkey sausage. You need some shrimp, olive oil, red and green bell pepper, chopped onion. This right here is, we took some crab boil and I boiled it down, took a cup of it, and added like 5 more cups of water to it because it was a little bit too strong. You're gonna need some bay leaves, minced garlic, red cayenne pepper, Old Bay seasoning, Cajun seasoning, flour, and last but not least, gumbo filet. Let's get started on cooking some gumbo. Why do this that? All right, well, we got some olive oil heating up. You got a cup of olive oil heating up right here, and it's nice and warm, so we're gonna add the flour to it. This right here is wheat flour. We're using wheat flour. We're gonna add that to it, and we're gonna simmer that down. You gotta stir this up real good and let it cook real good. It's gonna get nice and thick. So this gonna take about 20 minutes for me to cook this down, give it my base. So we're gonna check back in about 20 minutes when it's done. Okay, so we got that done. We got that cooked down. So now we're gonna add our okra. We're gonna add the red and green bell pepper. We're gonna add our onions. Last not least, we're gonna add 3 tablespoons of garlic. Okay. Now we need to mix this down for about 5 minutes. Okay, we're gonna mix this for 5 minutes. Check back in with me. What you need to do is you need to add your beer. Add your beer to it. You're gonna add of course, it's like a seafood stock. You're gonna add that. Alright. You're gonna add all your seafood. Your seafood besides your shrimp and like your fish. Add all the seafood into it. Okay, your crab meat. And you're gonna add your gumbo filet. Salt. Salt, the cayenne pepper, and some Worcestershire sauce. Okay, you're gonna use the Worcestershire to taste.
Caught the tagless version today.
Much enough. And you're gonna let this simmer. Now this gonna have to simmer for a while, for almost about an hour. We're gonna let this simmer, cook up real good. Just come back and check on it. Check back in with me in an hour. Alright, we back. This is the last part of the gumbo. Let me show you the way it's looking right now. It's simmered for a while. It's smelling great. So now we're about to add in the shrimp. Okay. Add in the sausage. And last but not least, we're going to add in the crawfish. So we got 20 minutes left to cook this down. Then we're gonna have our
Drug dealing and killing is going on in my town. It don't take a killer to kill or a driller to drill. See, just being yourself is the definition of real.